Hello and welcome to Want to Step, a channel that shows you how to do something, especially when using technological products in just one two step. Today's product is Crunchyroll, and the video is about how to add anime to watchlist in Crunchyroll. Well, to get started, make sure you've logged into your Crunchyroll account. Once you've done it, if you launch your Crunchyroll, you will have a home screen something like this. So in order to demonstrate how you can add anime to watch list in Crunchyroll, I'm going to start to choose any one of the anime in here. Now if you go through the details of the anime, you can see add to Crunchy list. So let's go ahead and select it. So in order to add anime to watch list, you have to create a list and name it whichever you want. Watch later. Now create list. Once you've created a list, you can again click on this add to Crunchy list, select your list. But the one that we have initially started with, it has been automatically added to the created list. You can also create new list by clicking on this create new list, and when adding anime to the list, you can choose any one of the appropriate ones. Now you know how to add anime to watch list in Crunchyroll. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding adding anime to watch list in Crunchyroll, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.